there, and welcome to Tammy Talk TV, where we share ways to live with purpose, passion, and perseverance. Today it's Tammy Tip Tuesday, and on Tip Tuesdays we share one tip a week related to a common theme. Our current theme is how to make a fabulous first impression. But first, as always, a quick programming note. If you're watching this as part of the Everyday Vacay Cyber Seminar series, just be aware that these Tip Tuesdays are part of our public YouTube channel, so comments that you make here will be public, as opposed to our classroom videos in which the comments are contained to the classroom. Okay, so back to how to make a fabulous first impression. And tip number 5 is be aware of your tells. Now, if you've never heard of a tell, it's actually a gambling term, and it refers to a nervous behavior. Everyone has them, whether it's a twitchy eyebrow, or you shake your foot, or bite your nails. Some people are nervous laughers. Have you ever known anyone that just laughed hysterically? Chances are that's because they were nervous. Other people are chatterboxes and just can't stop talking when they're nervous. Other people withdraw. So there are as many tells as there are people on the planet, but it helps to be aware of them. I personally am a fidgeter. I have trouble being still when I'm nervous, but simply knowing that about myself allows me to control it. Simply by being aware of our tells, we're able to keep them under wraps and present that confident first impression that we're striving for. So during the upcoming week, pay attention. What are your tells? In fact, leave them in the comment box below. Let's share. So there's your Tuesday tip for how to make a fabulous first impression. If you'd like to add to our conversation, you can always drop your comments in the box below, but I know if you're watching on some streaming devices, you might not be able to get to the comment box below. In that case, just head over to tammytalk.com, hit that social tab, choose your favorite social media network, and comment there. We look forward to hearing from you. And if you're just generally tired and frustrated, click the link below for a free cyber seminar that details the causes and the cure. See you next week.